All right guys, I'm gonna review the Bissell Little Green spot cleaner here. What we have here, this is the dirty water tank. You access that by that pulls up. You can empty it by pulling that out. And then this just pops off. This is the clean water tank here, and you go ahead and put water in the solution in it from there. This is the brush here. On the tank itself, it has a water line, as you can see here. And then if you look down below, it has a formula line. So in order to do this, we'll put the formula in first, and then we'll fill the rest up with water here. The formula I'm using today is this Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Remover. It shows the different stains here it can get out as well. All right, we got the formula filled to the line. Now we're gonna add some water. All right, while I'm adding some water, I did wanna let you know that this is 30% off. We bought it a few months ago, but we just saw on Amazon Prime Day it's 30% off. And I'll put a link in the description in the comment as well. All right, and taking a look at the brush here, as you can see, you've got the bristles there. And how you use this is the sprayer button. So you hold that down when you want to spray. I usually will spray over the stain a few passes before I start going down on it, just to give it a second or two to work. The spray comes out of this little nozzle here and it sprays down. So what we have here is we have a like a salsa stain here with tomato sauce. So we're going to try to get that up with the Bissell Little Green here. We've got the water with the solution here, and let's go ahead and try it out. So that worked pretty well. I really don't even see it there. And I'm going to show you here the cleaning tool as well. So after you're done cleaning a stain, you go ahead and press this button. This pops out. And this little tool that comes with it here, you just pop that on. And what that's going to do is it's going to clean. You're going to press this, hold this down to spray water, and it's going to run in here and flow back out and clean out the hose. So let's do that. So what that did is it shot the water in, cleaned the hose. I took it off before it ended just to kind of let some air dry out the hose a little bit before I plug the brush back on here. Pretty light too. I mean, it's got water in it now, but maybe just a few pounds. The design is pretty thin, so you can store it pretty easily. So, and we do have an Amazon deal going on. Well, it's the Prime Day deal. We bought this a few months ago. But when I checked, it's about 30% off. So that's pretty good if you want to have something around in case you need to spot clean. It definitely helps. So I'm going to put the link in the description and the comments as well.